Today I'm going to be talking about psychology and how the brain works, also how some of the right and left brain works. But the brain is a very amazing thing. There's almost too much to learn. The brain has very many uses and is very complex. The field of psychology is also very interesting and complex. For example, the brain has so many different uses and skills all located in different areas is very overwhelming. I hope to learn more about emotions and other feelings through this course. But as you can see, I have this thing here called Natasha's head. I know it's a weird name, but I just stuck with it. I put Galaxy duct tape, a coloring and activity book crumpled up with cardboard to make this. I use this because I'm kind of a space cadet, and it works. I have eyes here, ears here, mouth here, and I'm going to use this and show why these things are very important and how the brain uses them. Basically, I'm also going to talk about how psychology works for the brain. The right and left brain are very important. Amazingly, they tend to control the opposite side of the body. For instance, if the theory a right brain person is often artistic is true, then it would put some substantial evidence to the fact that most artists are left-handed. Also, you can see eyes here are very important. If you have a split brain and you're looking at something with only one eye, you can understand it, but you wouldn't be able to find the word for it because when your brain is together, they work together even though they have different sides. But when it's split, they can't connect to each other, and you couldn't find the word for it because the left brain, which you would need, deals with language, and it'd be very hard to come up with a word. The brain is very amazing because if one thing is altered in it, it can alter someone's whole life. There are parts of the brain that control very many different things. Places that control memory, places that control temper, and much more. It's very interesting how someone would have to live without one of these. It'd probably be a pain too. Chemical imbalances are also a huge pain and a huge factor because if someone's too hyper, it means they're probably lacking or have too much of one transmitter. But if they're depressed, it could be lack of serotonin or dopamine. There are many things the brain is capable of, but the unconscious brain is even more complex. To conclude, the field of psychology can help us understand so much. It can help determine more about us, show us facts, and much more. The brain is very amazing in how it functions, and the energy it uses, and all of the transmitters it has for us are very complex. I feel like I can apply this to my life because I'm human, and I think most humans can understand this. But thank you.